back to Matt's Automotive channel. We have a new car here, which we're going to start working on. We traded the GT500 in on this 2021 Subaru WRX STI. And right now it's pretty much all stock, and it's going to probably stay that way until we get past the warranty on it. But anyway, one of the things we can now modify without having to worry about voiding a warranty is the exhaust on this car. So we're going to go ahead and install a new exhaust system from AWE, and I will give you an example of what it's like with the stock versus the AWE exhaust system. I'll do some sound clips so you can see the difference. So anyway, before I get started, let's go ahead and do that and get this thing fired up and give you a baseline for what it sounds like with the stock system. Alright, so here's the box that the exhaust came in. Now this particular one is from AWE. It's the Touring Edition exhaust for the STI. And in case you're interested, there's the part number. And here's the contents of what was in the box. So you got the complete pipe system here. And then here are the tips. It comes with some clamps. And when you're all done, you got a little dessert here as well. Look under the car. This is a cat back, so here's one of the cats. Actually, it says another cat up there, and I believe there's also one on the up pipe. So, and then the resonator, that's obviously going to be replaced by the new system. So anyway, from here all the way to the back is going to get replaced. And it's kind of nice. It looks like this comes apart in segments, so we can take off this midsection here because we can unbolt it from each of the individual mufflers. Little flange here. So we'll just unbolt these first, then remove the mufflers, and then take off the pipe. That way we don't have to lift too much at any one time. And of course the new one also comes in a bunch of pieces, so should make for a very easy install. All right, so I'm just going to start from the back and start removing things from the back forward. So I'll start by the right side muffler here. Okay, with the two mufflers off, we're just left with this middle piece of pipe here. Shouldn't be too heavy, and looks like we have one hanger here holding it on. I don't see any others, so I think we can just unbolt it from this flange and then just pull it out of that hanger there and just drop it. Okay, with the old exhaust out of the way, I think I'll go ahead and start with this middle section that has the hanger on it. Let's just start with this midsection. Since we got a little hanger here that'll hold it in place while we install the other two ends. Okay, with that part in, we'll go ahead and attach this front portion, and the kit did come with a new exhaust donut here. However, the factory one looks like it's in great shape, and as you can see, it's the same size as the one that came with the kit, so I think I'm just going to leave that in place. Oh, this is just a perfect fit. This is just great. Thank you, AWE, for building a quality product. Before using the hangers, I find it's always best if you spray just a little bit of WD-40. And it just makes the install go so much easier. Okay, now we have all the parts in. Well, with the exception of the tips. So now we can go ahead and put these clamps on the exhaust and then go ahead and button this up. All right, we have it all together now and it's all loosely fit. I'm gonna leave it that way until I get the tips on, and then we'll get it adjusted to exactly where we need it, and then we'll go ahead and tighten everything down. Well, we're almost done here, getting ready for the dessert. All right, now we got the tips on there. We'll go ahead and bolt it all up, tighten it up, and we'll give it a sound check. Okay, we have it all bolted up. Looks like everything fits great. Really nice fit underneath here too. Nothing hits. All the way up to before where the cat is. So let's go ahead and start this up and see how she sounds. All right, so sounds great. I think we'll call this a success. Catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.